Hello guys, this is me. Today I've made a video to clear your doubts. So as you can see here, I am going to start from the scratch. So let us create a new database. So as you can see here, as I'm pointing my mouse pointer, so click on the blank database, okay, and you can give your name, like whatever name you want, but make sure it's related to what you're doing, okay. So I will give it as a bookstore in my case, okay. So when you're done writing this, you click on the create option here, and once you create the database, you will create a table, okay. By default you will get only one table, so your job is to create three tables here. So what you have to do is that you go to the create tab, okay. Observe my mouse pointer carefully. So you go to create tab and click on the table, okay. So two tables is created, as you can see on the left corner of my screen. And as well, I need one more, right? So you click on the create once more and click on the table, okay. So at the moment there are three tables, so this is what I want, and I have to save and give a name to this table. Because of that, I will go to table number one and save it and give it as a customers table, okay. So customers tables, which I've given this one customers. Click OK. So you will see the reflected customers table on the left corner as I'm pointing my mouse here. And similarly you have to do with table 2 and table 3, so which I am going to do the same here, okay. So which I'm gonna give it as an orders table, sorry. And when I go to table number 3, I will save it with the books table, okay. The table name is books, so which I have done, and you can see it all the tables. You can see it on the left corner, that you can observe from the left corner. You have customers table, you have orders table, you have books table, okay. So from this time what we have to do is that we have to going to make design the table, okay. Firstly we'll design the customers table, and nextly we'll design the books table and as well the orders table, okay. So as you see, what we are going to do is that we are going to design the customers table, okay. Avoid this one, okay. So as I see the IDs right here, so I will delete that one, and then I will give it as a customer ID. So I want my customer ID, so I'll set it as text, the type of the data as text, and I'll give a customer name, name, and as you can see the text, you select the type as a text, and I will give a phone number, and which I will give it as a number, and I will give an age here, and which I will give it as a number as well. So yeah, this have not reflected, so I'll go back and change to number. And yeah, I will give address, because the address of the customer is very important. So I'll give it an address and click and select as a text, and don't forget to save it. So you right click on your mouse if you're using a mouse, okay, and then you click on the save option here. So once you're done, go back to the books table. Similarly you go for the design, okay, and then click on the book ID. You change it to book ID and make it as a text, not an outer number. So remember carefully that you need to select text, okay. And then as well as give a book name, and then give it as a text, and you will have an outer, okay. So similarly you give it as a text, and you also have a price for the book, okay. So except the price, you need to change it to currency, so make sure you change it to the currency, okay. Click on that, and then after that save it. Okay. Save once you're done saving,